Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can gain more Instagram followers automatically using a automated AI Instagram bot. Now this bot is called Growly. I will leave a link in the description to this application. It's available for Mac or Windows. It's a desktop application. So if you're on your phone, take a screenshot of this or set a reminder so that way you can check it out later. I'm telling you, it's the best marketing bot that I've found, and it will save you a ton of time so you don't have to do any of this marketing manually. So basically, as you can see today, I have 3,997 followers. And just take a look at my account. I have a lot of personal photos, and it's clearly not a spam account. So this is going to increase the conversion rates of followers I get on my account. So when this bot automatically goes through and it likes, follows, and watches people's stories, they'll be curious to see who I am because they'll get a notification on their phone. And then they'll come to my profile, and my profile looks legitimate. It looks like a real person. A lot of times I will get followers back. So I wanted to show you how many followers I can get in 24 hours by running this bot. Now, if you don't have an account, you just sign up for an account, and then you'll land on this dashboard page. And for this example, I'm going to target by tag. I'm going to target realtors. I'm going to set it to 1,000 interactions. I don't know if it will complete 1,000 in 24 hours, but we'll see. After I set the tag, I'm going to download the configuration file. If that's downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and open up the Growly app for my Mac computer. When the app is open, I will then upload the configuration file to the app, and then let's see. And then I will click Start Bot. And what this will do, it will automatically bring up Google Chrome, and it will just start completing interactions on Instagram. So I'll let this run on the recorded video for a little while so you can see what it actually does. I'll probably fast forward it because it's kind of slow. That way Instagram doesn't pick up on the bot behavior, so it looks more like a human interaction. So as you can see, I'm not doing anything right now. This bot is it's signing into my account, and as you will see, it'll then search the tag that I had inputted in the dashboard and then just start interacting with users on Instagrams. I'll fast forward it now, and then I'll come back, I'll shut it off. 24 hours later, we'll see how many followers I end up getting.
One eternity later.
I'm back. I just let that run for 24 hours. Now let's go to my Instagram account and see how many followers I got. Okay, I'm at 4,118. So that's over 100 followers in 24 hours. So that's pretty good. And these are all real followers. I've even noticed some people already liking my photos, commenting on my photos, watching my story that I posted. So this is the best bot that I've used. You have to check it out. If this video helped you, I would appreciate a like on the video. And if you're into videos like this, like how to grow your Instagram account or other marketing strategies, consider subscribing. I post videos almost weekly on this topic. But anyways, check out the app, and thanks for watching.